Hey everybody, I think my air conditioner stopped working. I'm gonna go in and show you what it's doing. Alright, so I'm outside with the Lola pup today. Nice breeze. Good thing because I don't like doggy kisses. I don't like or sneezes. Ugh, that's gross. Or doggy breath. This is why I don't have a dog. This is why I don't have a dog. I'm a cat person. This is my son's dog. My son and his girlfriend's dog, Lola. Hello. So, Lola's breathing in my face. It's disgusting. I don't like dogs so much. It's okay when she's on my lap and she's facing away. That's great. I just don't like when she's in my face. So anyway, I think she's gonna lay down. Alright. So what I'm saying is, my air conditioner broke a couple days ago. I turned it on and it's making a noise, but the fan's not blowing and there's no cool air. So I'll go in and show you what it's doing. But luckily it's in the low 80s, so Mrs. Cat Jones and I are doing okay with the windows open. And I'm gonna have a little fan in there tonight, but the nights have been cool in the low 70s, so I got the emergency window open and I got some cross breezes going. So it hasn't been bad. And if it gets bad, I can always go on my... The neighbors are doing something noisy. I don't know what they're doing over there. If the temperature gets too hot, I can bring the cat in my son's house. And I could go on the couch as well if it gets bad, but I don't want to do that because I like having my own space. They're gonna keep cutting, so I'm gonna record when they're all done. Ice cream truck. Can you hear it? I don't think it's gonna come closer. All right, Lola, say bye for now. Say bye for now. You want some water? I'll get you some water. All right, so when I turn it on, this is what it does. It makes a noise pretending to be on, but there's no fan blowing and there's no cold air coming out. I don't even feel any coldness. So I don't know if it's just like a fan issue, like the fan isn't swirling, or a Freon issue. I don't even know if there's Freon in these kinds of air conditioners, but there's nothing. And even when I turn the fan on, the fan part on instead of the air conditioner, there's nothing. Nothing. So I don't want it to burn out, so I'm just gonna turn it off. And I figured I would have it checked out when I get the awning repaired. And I got the check to get the awning repaired, but the check they made out to me, myself, and the finance company, but I'm not financing it anymore because you could see I'm hot and sweaty. They paid the finance company off. I paid the finance company off, so I own the camper now. So the finance company doesn't have anything to do with the camper, so I can't have them sign the check. So now I'm waiting for Geico to cut a second check that's just to me. So then I can, I don't know if I bring that to the camper place or I have to cash it and give the money to the camper or the camper repair place. But right now it says it's like 82 inside the camper. And Mrs. Cat Jones is doing okay. I have the emergency window open and there's breezes coming in right now. And if it gets too hot, I could take her in the house because I'm luckily parked in my son's driveway right now for a few weeks. So I think I'm gonna go in the house and get a fan to bring out in the camper, because I think it's a little too warm. I know it's too warm for me, so it's probably too warm for her. So I'm gonna go get a fan right now. This isn't good. I don't like not having air conditioner. Okay, that's better. We got a fan on. Me and Mrs. Cat Jones are chilling in the fan. We have this fan that the kids let us use. So it's blowing on me right now, and it's so much cooler. It'll be nice to have that tonight. It's been nice and cool at night, and I've needed blankets. It's been so cool. That feels good. See my hair moving? It also feels good to have my hair up. So I'm just gonna relax in the fan, or maybe go back out in the shade now that I have the fan blowing on the cat. Oh, she's got her mad tail going. She's so like all over the place with her mood. Always. It's not because of the heat. She's just always like that. Alright, so that's all I got today. The last video I did was my friend Jim, who's an artist. He's a graphic artist, and I didn't show much of his art. I was just showing his office because he started freelancing from home, and I just like his cool collections of things. So if you haven't checked that out, check it out. And we went to open mic. I'm going to go to open mic again on Wednesday. It's good to get out of the camper and go somewhere. So I'm going to do that again on Wednesday. And I'll try to record myself or have someone record me when I perform. I'm not the best performer, but it's fun to do. So I'll try to get a recording of myself next time. But that's it. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Have a sunshiny day.